Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple guide on how to open the Messages page on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest updates that have made this process easier than ever. To get started, the first step is to open Instagram. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website in your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you aren't, enter your credentials to access your profile. The desktop version of Instagram has been designed to provide a seamless experience, so you should find everything familiar. Once you're signed in, look for the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon typically resembles a paper airplane and is easy to spot. Clicking on it will take you directly to your Messages page. This update allows users to access their direct messages without needing to rely solely on their mobile devices. After clicking the Messages icon, you will be directed to the Messages page. Here, you can browse through all your conversations. The layout is user-friendly, allowing you to see recent chats and easily navigate through your message history. If you have unread messages, they will be highlighted, ensuring you don't miss any important communications. This new update has streamlined the messaging experience on Instagram for PC users. You can now send and receive messages just as you would on your mobile device, making it convenient for those who prefer using a larger screen and a keyboard for typing. In summary, opening the Messages page on Instagram using your PC is straightforward. Open Instagram, click on the Messages icon in the left menu, and browse through your messages with ease. This enhancement not only improves usability, but also integrates Instagram messaging into your daily computer usage more effectively. Thanks for joining me today. Now you're all set to manage your Instagram messages right from your PC. Enjoy connecting with friends and family effortlessly.